Hello everyone, and I'm Dr. Shobit here, and as you all demanded for MD Anesthesiology, MD in Anesthesia, I will be telling you about the marks and ranks for the branch Anesthesia. And so I'm continuing with the general category now. So have a close look. Now, in 2018, National Counseling in Neet PG for MD Anesthesiology, round 1 for general category. The rank 12,776 got the last seat, and the marks were 566 marks were required for that. And the same for OBC category, 10,958 rank and 581 marks were required for the last seat for in OBC category of MD Anesthesia in 2018 Neet PG counseling. Now for the SC category, the figures changed a little bit. Not little, much, but in round 1, the rank required is 30,133 rank and 459 marks were required for SC category in Neet 2018 PG counseling for the last seat of MD Anesthesiology. And thus, now the turn for the ST category, and so the last seat was allotted to rank 47,794 rank and 380 marks were required for that in the ST category. Now for the general physical handicap category, 64,185 rank in round 1 counseling was allotted the last seat of MD Anesthesiology in Neet 2018 PG counseling, and 322 marks were required from the candidates. Now in the SC physical handicap, no seat was allotted, and the OBC physical handicap, the last seat allotted is the with rank 73,673 and the marks were 292. So this is all for MD Anesthesiology in Neet 2018. The last seat allotted in all the quotas and all the categories. And if you want more details about any other branches and their ranks and marks, do comment in the video below. Thank you.